Important question number 3. You can see here, prove that tan pi by 4 minus a by 2 is equal to root under 1 minus sec a by 1 plus 1 plus sine a by 1 plus sine a we have to prove. Take here LHS. Tan pi by 4 minus a by 2, we have to prove root under 1 minus sine a by 1 plus sine a. So first of all, you can see here tan a minus b. This is in the form of tan a minus b, so we can use formula of tan a minus b, and the tan a minus b formula is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So we can write here tan in the place of a, pi by 4, in the place of b, a by 2. So pi by 4 tan a minus tan b, in the place of b, a by 2. Tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan pi by 4 tan a by 2. Okay, up to here. Now tan pi by 4, pi means 180, 180 by 4 means 45. Tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1. So we can write here 1 minus, convert this tan a by 2 in the form of sine and cos, because we need here sine. So convert tan in the form of sine and cos. So tan a by 2 means sine a by 2 by cos a by 2. So we can write here sine a by 2 by cos a by 2. Similarly, 1 plus tan pi by 4, same thing. Tan pi by 4 means 45, pi means 180, 180 by 4 means 45, and tan 45 means 1 into tan a by 2. Tan a by 2 means sine a by 2 by cos a by 2. After this, we have to take here LCM, and the LCM is here cos a by 2. Cos a by 2 into 1, cos a by 2 minus sine a by 2. Here also we have to take LCM. Cos a by 2, cos a by 2 into 1, cos a by 2 plus sine a by 2. Now cos a by 2, cos a by 2 cancel, denominator. What is remaining here? Cos a by 2 minus sine a by 2 by cos a by 2 plus sine a by 2. After this, we have to rationalize. If here is plus, we have to multiply by minus. So cos a by 2 minus sine a by 2, cos a by 2 plus sine a by 2 multiply. We have to rationalize this. Here is plus, so we have to multiply by minus. So we can write here cos a by 2 minus sine a by 2 by cos a by 2 minus sine a by 2. After this, you can see these two are same, so we can write whole square. So write down cos a by 2 minus sine a by 2 whole square, and you can see in denominator this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So here cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2. Okay, up to here. Now we can use here formula. This is in the form of a minus b whole square, so we can use a minus b whole square formula. Cos square a by 2 minus 2ab, 2 in the place of a, in the place of b. Cos a by 2 sine a by 2 plus b square plus sine a by 2 sine square. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this one write down same. Cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2. Now look at properly this one. Hope you understand up to here. Now continue. Now you can see here sine square theta cos square theta, it means 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and here 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2 means sine a, formula of sine a. And you can see here cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2. This is also formula of cos a. Cos a formula is cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2. So we can write here directly cos square a by 2 plus sine square a by 2 means 1 minus 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2 means sine a. Sine a formula is that 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2, and denominator formula of cos a. Okay, what we have to prove, don't forget that 1 minus sine a, which we got here, 1 minus sine a, and 1 plus sine a, and here is we have cos a. Now how to convert this in the form of root? You can see here we can write 1 minus sine a whole square, and we can give a root. Can we write like this? Yes, we can, because we need here root. Now square and root cancel, it will be same, 1 minus sine a. Okay, up to here. Now here is cos a, but we need sine a. In the place of cos a we need sine a, so we can write, can we write here cos square a? Yes, we can write square and root cancel, so remaining cos a, which is here, square and root cancel, remaining 1 minus sine a, which is here. It means just giving root. You can write together whole square also, but you can see here also root, here also root, so we can give 1 root. Now here is 1 minus sine a. Okay, up to here. Now here is square. Now cos square a, what is the formula of cos square a? 1 minus sine square a. Cos square a formula is 1 minus sine square a. Just the two roots are here, I gave here 1 root, here is square, so square same, and here cos square a means formula 1 minus sine square a. Now we have to use here a square minus b square formula. Root under 1 minus sine a whole square by, this in the form of a square minus b square. 1 square means 1, so we can write 1 plus sine a 1 minus sine a. Look at properly this one. After this 1 minus sine a and square cancel, what is remaining here? You can see here what is remaining, root under 1 minus sine a, 1 minus sine a by denominator 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a. We have to prove this. RHS proved. Hope you understand this question number 3.